3, 2, 1.
How would you describe the narrator from a belief standpoint? The answer is A. The narrator is religious. How many commissioners worked under Rainey? The answer is A. 44. To which year in the 90s did the Queen refer as her Annus Horribilis? The answer is D. 1992. What may be the reason I had a Bloody Mary? The answer is C. I hadn't had one in a long time. Forceps, how would you do this? The answer is A. Pick up cut flesh easily. Why is the male subject showing such intense body language? The answer is D. The male subject is aroused. What may be a plausible fact about the speaker? The answer is A. They are learning how to drive. In what year was Olof Palme, Prime Minister of Sweden, assassinated? The answer is B. 1986. Kal-El is the child of which Oscar-winning actor? The answer is D. Nicolas Cage. What does the narrator think about the price of the DVD set purchased? The answer is C. It was cheap. Other than Chance, the Waltons from the self-titled show had another pet, which was a dog. What was his name? The answer is C. Reckless. Groomers, how would you do this? The answer is A. Kinshina puppy. What may be the reason for their day at the bridge? The answer is C. It was a relaxing location. What may I be taking a class of right now? The answer is B. Karate. What will Mego do once asked to play music? The answer is C. Mego will play his heart out. In what year did Steve Allen introduce the first Tonight Show? The answer is A. 1956. The structures of both trifluoramine and hydroxylamine are similar to that of what? The answer is A. Ammonia. How many cents are in a dollar? The answer is B. 100. A pitcher pitches a ball to the batter, what happens next? The answer is A. Bat the ball really far. Which science deals with the motion of projectiles? The answer is C. Ballistics. What is the property by which water molecules stick together? The answer is A. Cohesion. In what year did Francesco Mario Pagano publish Saggi Politici? The answer is C. 1783. What's you got Tato now? The answer is B. Focus on the way he is playing. What city am I visiting? The answer is C. I am visiting New York City. When are the new SkyCube products going to be available? The answer is C. 2016. How to make artificial flowers smell like chocolate. How would you do this? The answer is A. Spray some coffee-flavored perfume onto them. What type of Pokemon is Fearow? The answer is B. Flying. A man serves a tennis ball with his racket. What happens next? The answer is C. Brings the racket down to his side. Which of the following can form hydrogen bonds? The answer is D. CH3NH2. When was England's first permanent settlement in the Americas founded? The answer is C. 1607. What plants symbolize the love between Andy and Benjamin in the 2003 romantic comedy How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days? The answer is C. Fern. How many factories did the company lose by 1647? The answer is C. 23. What article of the Grundgesetz grants the right to make private schools? The answer is C. 7. What may have happened before the Cardinals game? The answer is D. Rain was predicted. On what other character is Ash Ketchum loosely based in the Pokémon video games? The answer is C. Red. In the vibrational rotational spectrum of a diatomic molecule, the R branch of the spectrum is the result of which of the following transitions? The answer is D. Delta equals 1, delta equals 1. What word denotes the ability of a muscle to transmit impulses? The answer is D. Conductivity. In what year did Henry Roman VII establish an office of revels? The answer is B. 1545. Where are the Olympic tickets of the narrator? The answer is A, at their home. In what year did the Aberfan disaster take place? The answer is D, 1966. Why did she try to seek attention? The answer is C, none of the above choices. What is the subject of this paragraph? The answer is B, stacking mugs. What condition does Adrian Monk have in the hit TV show Monk? The answer is A, OCD. What was the real name of the chimpanzee that portrayed Lancelot Link in the TV series of the same name? The answer is C, Tonga. In April 2013, which three-digit free-to-call, non-emergency number was introduced by the NHS to replace the telephone triage and advice services provided by NHS Direct? The answer is D, 111. What social movement might the author support? The answer is D, feminism. Why is the narrator resentful of some people? The answer is D, they are being abused. Which plane is the first jet fighter? The answer is C, Heinkel He 280. A student prepared a presentation to show how water changes the surface of Earth. Which presentation would best demonstrate how water changes the surface of Earth? The answer is D, a model of a stream flowing down a hillside. What other name is used for the language known as Siksika and Pikin AI, which is spoken in North America?